Guys, puno ang refrigerator, guys. Hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin. Tignan nyo. Kaloka itong mister ko.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good afternoon! Good afternoon everything. Kumakain lang ako ng chocolate. Kasi po, nagutom na ako. And alis po ako. Kakain po kami ni Brenda sa labas. And then, iiwan ko muna si Tammy kasi alis din siya. Magpa-car wash siya, guys. Kasi yung sasakyan niya, ginamit naman kagabi, diba? Grabe. Napuno ng salt. Sobrang puti yung sasakyan ni Tammy, hindi na itim. Puno ng salt. Kailangan yung i-wash para hindi kakainin yung salt yung pinta. And so ngayon, aalis lang ako. Bibili ng... Hala, do I write it down? I need to write it down what I need to get. Okay. Cheese. What else my husband want? I need wipes. So, anyway guys, good afternoon. So, ito yung agenda guys. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kaninang umaga kasi po, yun, na-busy. Naligo ako. And then, naglinis. And then, nagpunta kami sa attic kasi po yung heater, binibilid namin, diba, kinukuha yung hangin para iinit. So, ngayon, hindi siya uminit na naman. So, ngayon, nagpunta na naman kami doon. So, yun, uminit na naman sa taas kasi iwan ko kung anong problema doon, guys. Pero, yun. And, ipasauli ko lang itong machine kasi yung machine, kahit saan-saan na napunta. Hey, kailangan ka nang umuwi. 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 And then, yung binigay ko kay Brenda, doon na sa sasakyan, ibigay ko sa kanya. And, guys, kailangan ko ng box. Kasi, kailangan ko ng, ito din, hindi ko pa naipadala. Kailangan ko niyang address muna. So, yun, address at saka iba pa. Anyway, kita-kits tayo mamaya, guys. Yun, kita-kits tayo. Snow, snow. Ice. Nandito kami guys sa Philippines. Ang dami, ang bango. Ring for service. Asan si Kuya Romel? Nandun pala si Kuya. Bili tayo guys. Magdagdag ako ng be. Ito. Masarap kasi yan. Yan siya. Kakain tayo. At bibili ako dito ng sana hindi defrost. Yung tawag nun, yung ito ba? Ito. Yung bangus. At saka hindi, yung yung dahon ng malunggay. Ay, dito na yung leaves. May saluyot sila, B.O. Jet leaves yung ba? Kala mo yan? Yung... Yan lang mo yung saluyot? Okay, sige.
Saluyot din sa amin.
Saluyot sa amin. Nakatry ka na ng bes?
Oo, dalawa ng binili.
Masarap ka? Ano yan siya? Manok or pato? Duck? Hindi mo alam? Ito guys, ito yung kainin ko kasi gutom na talaga kami. Pwede din. Na mag-party dyan ba? Yan guys, si Josie guys.
Hindi, kaya yun pa. Pag pumunta dito.
Yung nakita natin sa simbahan na di ba yung sinulog? Asan yung sa akin to, kuya? Yan, si kuya single, hindi na single. Di ba hindi ka na single na?
Ha?
Hindi ka na single?
Single pa rin.
Sige, single pa rin.
Walang sawa. Wala dyan
Ay, wala daw dito sa tabi.
Wala.
Kuya, anong ginawa mo sa kamay mo?
Nagasgas lang.
Hi guys! So ngayon guys, galing kami sa Walmart. Nag-grocery lang kami sa Walmart ni Brenda. Yung galing kami sa Filipino store. And then, kumain kami doon. And pumunta kaming Walmart na grocery kasi meron po akong kailangang bilhin. Si Brenda din, meron din siyang binili doon. So ngayon, pauwi na ako guys. Mag-dumpster dive sana kami pero late para sa akin. Parang hindi worth it ngayon. Kasi it's 4 o'clock and then kailangan kong umuwi. Meron pa akong mga kailangan gawin. So, yun siya. So, and ang dumi-dumi guys. Pagkatapos talaga, after snow talaga no. Ang dumi talaga ng ano, daanan. As in, ang dumi. Grabe oh. Look dito oh. Dito oh. Ang daming dumi-dumi naman dito. Look, tignan nyo yan. Ang snow nasa gitna. Mga ganon. So yun. Kailangan kong magdahan-dahan. Kasi ang daming driver guys na mga loko-loko talaga guys. Grabe. Yung parang mga ang sasakyan sumasayaw na. And then kanina, yung ano driver din bumaba sa sasakyan yung sa unahan. And then sabi pa niya, doon kayo. Sige pa. Ano nangyari sa mga tao ngayon dito? Abnormal ng mga tao to eh. Ng mga ano, alam nyo guys, nang naobserbahan ko sa Walmart, ang daming ano, ang daming empty shelves. Grabe, empty talaga. As in talagang no joke, empty. Hi guys, bahay na po tayo guys. And then, nakakaloka kasi pumunta ako doon sa ibang tindahan. Wala man silang cheese na gusto ni Mr. Oy. Pero at least nakabili ako ng chicken para tinola. Magtula po tayo guys. Bumili ako ng ano kasi matagal ko na itong pinangarap. Matagal ko na itong hindi nakain. Itong tawag nun hash brown ba. Masarap kasi ito guys. Lagay lang siya sa freezer or refrigerator. Refrigerator is okay. We have tons of food, but I don't know why I went shopping for food. And ano pa ba yung nabili ko? Bumili ako ng cereal. Napkin guys, kasi kailangan ng bilahan natin ng napkin. And also, yun, tawag ng cereal para breakfast natin. At least meron pang milk si Mr. Nito. And spinach for our tinola. Yes, magtula po ako guys. And also, refill wipes for my butt. Wipes for my butt. And banana. More banana. Kailangan kong bumili nito ng marami-rami dahil po para pag may ano, banana bread. Masarap. Bumili din ako guys nito guys kasi yung tinapon ko yung old. Mag-bake po tayo niyan. And chayote, gagawa tayo, magluto po ako guys. Kaya hindi na kami nag-dive. Kailangan pang magluto. At saka ito, bukas ito, Brussels sprout. And more onion. Wala ng garlic, hindi ako bumili. At ito yung nabili ko sa Filipino store. Oh my God, sana hindi po ito na ano, defrost. So yun. They don't have Hawaiian. And also guys, look, tinola mix. And I'm gonna make some tinola chicken. This is your grilled thing. And I got some, hey, that's more breakfast. You don't have milk here. Look, I got some, ano, hash brown. And, boy, we don't have space over here, you know, Oko, honey. And this is not open. Can you put this? This is not open.
It is open.
Can you? And it's not even still good.
What?
Can you take that? Seems like it's moldy.
Grapefruit?
Yeah.
Oh, fine.
Oh my God.
In the brown, I'll make a space for it. Just do that.
And oh my God, this is the frozen now. I'm still
Look at
frozen.
this.
What happened?
So 3 eggs missing from there, and 2 eggs left in here. What's that problem?
Well, that's your problem.
Oh, my problem.
Okay, I will put it in the freezer. Han, if this is frozen and a little bit defrozen, is that okay? To put it in the freezer?
If it's defrosted, you shouldn't be putting it in the freezer, right?
Okay, then I will cook this tomorrow. And just remind me. This is for lumpia, spring roll. Guys, puno ang refrigerator, guys. Hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin. Tignan nyo. Kaloka itong Mr. Spring roll. I will put it in the freezer. And this is for, this is my water. And dried fish, for you. And that's for you. One dried fish, okay? And
Huggies?
that's for my butt.
Butt huggies.
And this one. And more banana because you said it's not enough.
Well, because I feel bad. I don't eat like you want.
You feel bad? What do you feel bad for? You never feel bad. You never feel bad. So now what? I'm gonna cook some chicken tinola and
So what did you make out?
we don't do anything.
You got a cat carrier.
That's I bought it from Walmart.
You what?
I bought it in Walmart
You bought it?
because Handy need a new one, honey. Honestly. Yes, what you think?
Because they go everywhere.
Huh?
Because they're always going everywhere.
Seriously, Han? So I cannot do it? You want me to return it? The camera's broken. So, tinola po tayo. Magtinola ng manok. So, tinola muli ha. And you have your ano here.
And what there?
You have your pork and chicken barbecue. You have to heat it. Heat it. Okay. Smells so good. We have ton of food. Pero magluto ako ng chicken. Or bukas na lang itong chicken, Han. You know what? I'm going to cook the chicken tomorrow, okay? So, I put this all downstairs. Like this. Bukas lang ito, guys. Kasi tinatapol na naman ako, guys. Tinatapol. Marami kasing pagkain din. At saka, kailangan kong mag-defrost ng bacon. I need to defrost some bacon. Do we have bacon?
I have no idea. I bought some bacon together we were buying it, so.
I know we have ton of bacon. Okay guys, kain lang kami guys. Ang yung kakainin namin is yung niluluto ko kahapon na munggo. Did I cook this yesterday?
Yes.
The munggo and yung not garlic. The one that we have is the one that I get from the grilled one. Filipino thing. Okay, love. Okay, you go sit over there. Is that the same thing? Pork and chicken?
Well, you put two in two, so we had to soup.
No, you don't know. No.
That's
Oh,
how
this.
you put 'em.
Okay, this is okay. Kain lang kami, guys. Kain. I'm gonna put my husband a little rice, right?
Oh, boy.
Yeah, with the munggo. Munggo, guys. Munggo. Alam nyo na, guys. Kailangan magmunggos, mister. And it's up to him how many munggo he want. And then, guys, magkamay ako, guys. Ito yung pork barbecue. My husband doesn't like sweet things, but he like to order Chinese sweet stuff with spice.
I don't order Chinese food stuff.
Well, what is that?
If you get Chinese food, I get the.
Han, you did that, Han.
Oh,
Why
the
you
Dragon
can't
Phoenix.
lie to me? You cannot lie. You know. You
What
always...
kind of sweet is?
Dragon and Phoenix, it's the sweet thing, okay? The sweet and spice. So, hey, if you want some sauce, I'm gonna use my hand because this is the best thing. When you eat barbecue, use your hand. Magkamay tayo tuwing umaga. Kanta man yan. Han, the barbecue and this, Han, Han. Oh, the soup is not hot. But at least it's not freezing cold. Tammy and I talking about the ano guys ba? The store. Every time you go to the store, you can see more shelves empty. Like the cat food, usually you get some, you know, spotty area. But half of them is like empty. Like empty. And then when you go to the section of where also in Walmart guys, yung where you get that bacon, hot dog packaging, small in that area. Empty, Han. Like empty. All that cheese area, empty. And ngayon guys, it's a movie time with my husband. Kasi it's been a long time na hindi kami nag-movie. So ngayon, we're gonna do a movie together. Hopefully he's coming. He's doing laundry. That's his best thing. Laundry boy. So, Amazon Prime lang kami guys kasi marami namang movies sa Amazon Prime. So, yun. Today is, Sunday. So ngayon guys, i-end ko na tong vlog. Wala masyadong ganap guys, kasi kanina doon sa Filipino store, wala lang, lang kami ni Brenda, and then, yun, walang dumpster dive. I think bukas na yung diving namin. So anyway guys, kita-kits tayo bukas guys, and look, I know he's gonna go for cigarette. Tignan nyo yun. Tignan nyo yun guys. Tignan nyo yun. Ready for outside. Not yet. Oh, he's gonna do double guys, look.
Just